there, welcome back. Today is a very exciting day. We are doing an unboxing. I've never done this. I've placed a big order of silicone molds and I'm just gonna unbox everything and show you what I got. Let's unbox some silicone molds. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Marion and I'm a candle maker and owner here at Glowed Candles. And on YouTube, I'm sharing all my tips and tricks with you guys to do better candles. So let's dive right in. Let's start with the small one. So I ordered a while back. So I'm gonna just unbox and discover what's in there. Okay, so there's a smaller one and there's a bigger one. Let's start with the small one. Oh, wow. So this is great because we're starting with a fail. We're starting with a big fail. Wow. Okay. This is bad. So this does happen when sometimes you expect something to be a certain size and then it comes in a different size. So this is what I've received, and I'll need to double check whether this is my fault, then if the size was actually mentioned on the product and I did not read it correctly, but it's obviously tiny. Yeah, I'm not even gonna open them because clearly someone made a mistake here. So either me, probably me, but this is what I thought I was gonna get. I'm just gonna put a picture here, and I got this. So just for scale, this is my hand, and the candle is probably the size of my index finger. So very small, and the width of the candle is probably what, 2.5 centimeters, 3 centimeters max. So clearly not gonna be something that I'm gonna entertain. This is way too small. I've long ago decided to stay away from candles that are too small, just because they are very tedious to make and they're really hard to box. So I'm just gonna stay away from that. So I've got this big parcel here, and I've got another big one here. I'm just gonna gradually open stuff. But that's the thing when you order mold abroad, there's also that element of, there's always that element of, hang on, this is not gonna be what I thought it was gonna be. Let's go with this one. Okay, so those are some new bubble shapes. So I'm excited to show you. This is what I'm expecting. I'm just gonna, I've got 3. So when I like a shape, I want to always invest in the mold. So this is what it looks like. So it's not a big candle, but it's still on my okay side in terms of shape. Also, because of the success of the bubble candle in the past, I was thinking that having a similar vibe shape would be interesting. So I'm looking into that, and this is where I ordered that mold. So that was this one. I'm very much looking forward to do. What else is there? Oh, this is not silicone. I can feel it. This is an acrylic set. So acrylic sets are that harder plastic that you have. I love acrylic mold because they are super easy to demold. I'll show you when I do the test candle, but they are super easy to demold, and that's why I love them, because you don't have the hustle of pulling on the silicone mold, etc. I've seen this shape on Instagram quite a few times, and I do like it a lot. I've chose that size because it's going to fit into the boxes I already have. I want to make sure when I choose a new shape that it's not going to drive more cost, as in it's not going to need extra packaging. I'm going to be able to use what I already have. So this is a big shape. It's on the pillar side. I'm quite excited because I think there's also some cool thing that could be done with this in terms of fun quirky colors and combos and stuff like that. So watch this space. Very excited for this. I've got 2 of those. I've got another one here. There you go. So usually I never buy something if I'm not comfortable to buy multiple. So I don't ever get something if I'm not comfortable buying 3 or 4 of, then I shouldn't get them all. So that's my kind of vibe here too. There you go. And last but not least, some of my favorite mold supplier. All those products were ordered on Aliexpress. I will share the link down below. It takes a little bit of time to get them to the UK, but I select the store I buy from based on how fast delivery is going to be. You do have 15 days delivery guaranteed, which I think is quite good. And there's lots of merchant on there, so you can find lots of alternative, and I find it very useful, especially for silicone molds, to shop there. So definitely one to watch. It's yes, Amazon, it's great to have because you're gonna get it next day delivery if you're really you really want to do something fast. But if, like me, you are planning your shape in advance, and I'm not gonna launch those products until a few months, I don't need fast, I need cost efficiency. So I want to make sure that I get the best cost for that product. In terms of the packaging, I keep everything, so all the bubble wrap, everything will be reused for order that I get in the future, so nothing is wasted. So the only thing that is going to be binned is the outing packaging. So you've seen those pink molds before. It's hard to project what it's going to be. And I'll put the shape here. So this store is the best I have found for silicone molds. The quality of the silicone is unparalleled, very thick, very easy to demold. Then here it's already cut out, so to make it so that you don't have a delimitation, this is a 2-side pillar candle, ribbed. You're going to be able to either use elastic to hold the mold together, or you can use pegs on the side here. It's already cut all the way down, so it's easy to then take the candle out and push it out. So again, I've got 2 molds from this shape here. So in total, this is going to be 3 new shapes that we're going to test together. So we've got this one. I'll put the image as well. We've got this one, exciting, and we've got the different bubble. So that was part 1 of the unboxing. If you've got any question, let me know. I will link things down below. And part 2 will be, let's test wicks for each candle and do the burn test to decide what wick we're going to go for. Because there's been lots of questions from you guys around how you test for decorative candle and what's the process. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. And then you can make your own opinion. Again, testing. It is not an option. You should not rely on what I find is good for me. You should always test what works for you. At the end of the day, you're liable for the product you put out there if you're selling it. So you should never take anything for granted, and you should test your product thoroughly, because we're talking about candles that can obviously put things on fire if not correctly done and tested. So everyone is liable for their own production. So I can guide you through the process, and it's more about showing you the process of how to get there in the testing process than giving you the end result. You should always be testing. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this. This was part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. It will come live very soon. And yes, if you've got any question, let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.